Untold Histories of India. Namaste. Welcome to Navabharatam. If I were to ask who made the first aeroplane, most of us say a name without even thinking for a single moment called the Wright brothers. The simple reason is that the Wright brothers aircraft was officially built and flown overseas on December 17th, 1903 off the coast of Carolina in the United States. The irrefutable interpretation is that it flew almost 120 feet. That's the thing, ones who have been educated by our diluted scholarly classes. But how many of us know that before 1903, in 1895, the late Sri Shivkar Bapuji Talpade, a scientist from our country, flew an aeroplane 1500 feet in a very unique way on the shores of Mumbai. And trust me, not only have that, but how many of us know that the plane was just remotely controlled? How is it possible that we have so much knowledge? Do our Indians have such a sense? Not so much, right? Have you started thinking about that in your mind? There's nothing wrong with that, and it's not your mistake as well. I'll tell you why. But let me tell you first that from where did our Talpadeji gained this original knowledge? Before the world science was heard, a lot of knowledge was acquired in our own country. Bharadwaja Maharshi or sage Bharadwaja is one of the many sages who applied them and contributed to the results and passed them on to our predecessors. He was the first person in the world to experiment with aeronautics and wrote copies of them and provided them to us. Many of those pieces of knowledge were destroyed. But those texts which are still available in our country are at least 1500 years old. Yes, literally in a book found 1500 years ago. The aircraft manufacturing process is described in 8 chapters as 100 stacks on how to acquire the knowledge or technology required for the aircraft manufacturing. It contains nearly 500 theories on how to build an airplane or an aeroplane. Again, I'm telling you that it was mentioned that how to make an aeroplane in 500 different ways. And all of these are written in detail in those books. And however, that book has come to our Talpadeji at a very young age. Trust me saying this, it was his very young age when he was a child. From an early age, he read the book extensively, doing small experiments and devoting his entire life to reading that aeronautics. That reading was utilized in the experiment. That dream finally came true in 1895, that too while everyone is watching. By then, Judge Mahadev Govind Ranade of the British judiciary and Talpade had flown the aeroplane to a height of 1500 feet. Yes, 1500 feet. Our Bharatamata ethnic knowledge was once again shown to the eyes of all.
Vimanas. Vedic text dating back to 16,000 BC talks about Indian civilizations having access to flying machines called Vimanas. Vimanaka Shastra, a segment in the Vedic text, details about how these machines were made. It also contains instructions on the operation of the aircraft. In the book Technology of Gods, David Hatcher Childress explains how the Vimanas function.
But that happiness did not last long for us. At that time, there was a big English company in our country, and its name is Rayleigh Brothers. With their hypocrisy, they came to Talpade and said, if you can give us the designs and the drawings of this aircraft that you have made, we can work together and make the aeroplane. We will pay the full cost ourselves because you made this plane with the last amount of money you already have. The design was taken from Talpade, and they have promised that if you work with our company, the glory of our country's knowledge will be spread to the continents. Because the knowledge Talpade contained in the making of the aircraft was not there with him for all such vicious acts. The Rayleigh brothers, who took the drawings and design models, said they would go to London and get the royal seal on it. But once they reached the London and got the royal seal, then they joined the American Wright brothers. In 1903, the Wright brothers built an aircraft using our science in their hands and became world famous under their name. It's all our science. In the ensuing period, Talpade in our country died under suspicious circumstances. British police have confirmed the death was normal. No wonder or no big deal for this big weirdness in this. The same thing that the British dogs have been doing for 200 years has been repeated in this case of Talpade as well. At least from now, let's keep our eyes open and read the books that distort history and the least available books that tell the real truth, and let at least 10 people know that the truth. I just remember I have told you that it's not your mistake at the beginning, right? Yeah, it's not your mistake. But where is the source for all these questions that arise in us right now? Originally, we were 75-year-old since when we have got our independence. But why are we still living as a mental slaves? What can we do about this slavery mentality? Why were we always taught that our forefathers were fools and did not have the means to study? Why the misery of thinking that they are illiterate? I will explain the answers to all these questions to you in the coming videos. Thank you so much for watching our channel, and your Navabharatam is constantly on the hunt for the truths. Signing off, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hind.